Hello students, good morning. I am Dhirendra Kumar, Modern English School, New Area, Senior Wing. This is second part of video lecture of chapter 2nd of Civics, class 7. Dear student, yesterday we studied about health and what are the responsibilities of government regarding health. What were the tasks government is responsible for. Today we will study about private and public health service. Before starting this topic, consider a short story. Student, there were two friends, Aman and Ranjan. Ranjan is from well-to-do family, while Aman is from poor family, and both had viral fever. As Aman was financially weak, Aman was not in condition to visit private hospital. So Aman and his father went to visit government hospital. In government hospital, Aman faced a lot of problems. First problem was of cleanliness. There was very dirty places in hospitals, and Aman also faced a problem of waiting for a long time in a queue. When he went to the OPD, he had to stand in a queue. As he was very weak, he always used to lean over the shoulder of his father. When he visited the doctor, when he met the doctor asked him for a test. When he went for test, there also he had to stand in a queue for a long time. Finally, doctor had given medicine to Aman. For all this process, Aman paid only 150 rupees to the hospital authorities. Now let us see what happened in case of Ranjan. Dear students, as Ranjan was from well-to-do family, his father took him to a very big hospital that seems as a 5-star hotel. As Ranjan informed his friend Aman that this was very big hospital, this was very shiny hospital, and all the hospital staffs, doctor, nurses, behaved friendly. When he met the doctor asked him for so many checkups, and while nurse was taking blood, she was very friendly. She was telling him a story or joke. That's why so that he didn't feel the pain. Motto was what? Motto was that the patient feel very friendly in the hospital, but and doctor advised him a lot of medicines, capsule, tablets, syrups, and a lot of checkups, which cost him very much. And finally, for the same disease that had Aman, for curing viral fever, Aman paid only 150 rupees, while Ranjan had to pay 3,500 rupees. Dear students, consider differences of cost in private hospital and in public hospital. Now you can differentiate between private health service and public health service. Now let us start the topic health services in India. Dear student, health services in our country is divided into two parts: private health service and public health service. First, we will see public health service. Public health service means what? Public health service is chain of health centers and hospitals, and they are linked together. They are linked together so that they can provide services to vast areas. They can provide services to urban as well as rural areas. In rural areas, usually there be a nurse and village health worker. They are trained in dealing with the matter of common illness, common diseases, and they work under the supervision of PHC, Primary Health Center. This PHC take care of so many villages, and at the district level there is a district hospital. This also supervise village health center, and at the district level there is big hospital such as the hospital in which Ranjan went, and there is specialized hospitals also such as in Hakim Sheikh's story. Dear students, what are the reason why public health center is called as public? Dear students, there are so many reasons to say public health center as public. Government established so many hospitals to fulfill their health requirement. Dear students, can you guess from where government generate money? Yes, Your guess is right. We people pay tax, and the tax paid by us is utilized to develop resources, and government obtained money from the taxes. Means what? The government have to give facility to their people, and that must be for all. Dear students, next responsibility of the public health center was to provide treatment either free of cost or at a very low cost or at a very low price. This is very important job of public health facility, public health center. Another important work of public health center is to prevent communicable diseases from being spread. What can they do? Public health center organize public interest program to prevent diseases from being spread, and this can be done with the help of public also. To make this effective, public health centers should have support of public. For example, if public health center or government hospital wanted not to breed mosquitoes on the top of roof or on the water accumulated near the residential areas, in this task public support must be there. Without public support, this cannot be very effective. Dear students, have you remember or would you like to know what court said in case of Hakim Sheikh? Dear student, when this matter was discussed in court asked the government. Court stated that this is duty of government to take welfare action. This is duty of government to safeguard the right of people, rights of their citizens, and as right to life is a fundamental right, hospital and hospital staffs must fulfill this demand. As Hakim Sheikh was denied from treatment, it would cost his life. For Hakim Sheikh. So, government court stated that it is duty of government for safeguard of rights of their citizen, and court also found that the hospitals Hakim Sheikh visited, hospitals denied for treatment, he ordered the government to pay Hakim Sheikh amount he had spent in private hospital for his treatment. Dear student, see how important our constitution is, as right to life is fundamental right. So this was safeguarded by court. Private health service. Dear students, you have noticed in cities, private clinic, private hospitals, laboratories, X-ray centers, ultrasound centers, and in rural areas you may also find RMPs, registered medical practitioners. Dear students, you have seen in government hospitals, all the services are either free or at very low cost. But in private hospitals, you have to pay huge amount for each and every services you use. And as name suggests, this is owned and regulated by private persons. This is not regulated and owned by government. And nowadays, big companies operated the hospitals. They are engaged in manufacturing medicines. And you can find shops of medicine all around you. Around the countries, around the cities, you can find medicines. Means privately they are engaged in manufacturing medicines, providing services. They are running big hospitals, but they are very costly. So our government should reform government hospitals so that this would attract the patients from rural areas, and poor people may get their fundamental rights fulfilled. That's all. Have a nice day. Stay at home to fight with Corona.